Welcome to the National Law University, Odisha, a prestigious institution established by Act 4 May 2008, located at the Kathajodi campus in Cuttack. NLU is known for its academic excellence and commitment to legal education. Today, we bring you an exciting opportunity, as the university invites applications from suitable candidates for a variety of positions. Whether you are an academician, administrator or support staff, there is a role for you. NLU is seeking talented individuals for key academic roles. The positions include Associate Professor, Law and Assistant Professor, Law, both on a regular basis. These roles offer competitive pay bands, with the Associate Professor position providing a pay band of 70,000 and a grade pay of 9,000, while the Assistant Professor role offers 15,139 with a grade pay of 6,000. Those interested in research and teaching assistant, NLU offers the position of Research Associates cum Teaching Assistant Law on a contractual basis. This role comes with a consolidated salary of Rs. per month. It's an excellent opportunity for young scholars or recent graduates looking to gain experience in academia while contributing to the university's research initiative. If you're passionate about legal research and eager to support teaching activity, NLU also invites applications for several important administrative positions. These include Personal Secretary to the Vice-Chancellor, Assistant Registrar, Placement Officer, and Section Officer Accounts. Some of these positions are regular, while others are contractual. The pay bands vary, with some roles offering consolidated salary and others providing structured pay scale. If you have administrative experience and are looking to work in a vibrant academic environment, these roles might be. Those with expertise in library science or data management, NLU is hiring a law librarian and a data entry operator exam, both on a contractual basis. The law librarian position offers a consolidated salary of 50,000 per month, with preference given to retired professional. The data entry operator role is ideal for those with strong computer skill and attention to detail. These roles are crucial for the smooth functioning of the university. NLU is also looking for dedicated support staff in various roles such as storekeeper, security officer, electrician and nurse. Most of these positions are contractual, offering consolidated salary. The security officer role is particularly suited for ex-army personnel at the rank of lieutenant colonel or colonel. If you have experience in any of these areas and wish to contribute to the university's daily operation, consider applying for these essential support positions. To apply for any of these positions, candidates must use the prescribed application form available on the NLU website. Completed forms should be sent to the Registrar, National Law University, Odisha, CDA Sector 13, Cuttack 7,53,015. Remember to superscribe the envelope with application for the post followed by the specific position. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview, so make sure your application is complete. And last date for receipt of filled-in application is 6 November 2013 by 5 p.m. Please note that any earlier advertisements for these posts stand cancelled, and fees will be returned. Candidates who applied previously must apply afresh. Also, no TA or DA will be paid to any applicant. For detailed information, visit the NLU Careers page. Make sure to follow all instructions carefully to ensure your application is considered. This is a wonderful opportunity to join National Law University, Odisha, and contribute to its mission of excellence in legal education and administration. Whether you are an academic, administrator, or support staff, your skills and dedication can make a difference. Don't miss your chance. Review the available position, prepare your application, and submit it before the deadline. We wish all applicants the very best in their pursuit of a rewarding career at NLU.